Easy and healthy avocado snacks. 4 recipes you'll crave. Easy and healthy avocado snacks, 4 recipes you'll crave. Avocado, often hailed as a superfood, is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. It is a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in various forms, including as a healthy snack. Whether you are looking for a quick bite or a nutritious option to satisfy your cravings, avocado snacks are the perfect choice. In this video, we will explore 5 easy and healthy avocado snack recipes that are sure to make your taste buds sing. Avocado toast with a twist. Elevate your breakfast game. Avocado toast has become a staple in breakfast menus worldwide, and for a good reason. It's simple, delicious, and packed with nutrients. But why stick to the basic avocado spread when you can take it to the next level? We'll explore the world of avocado toast with a twist, presenting you with exciting and mouth-watering variations that will elevate your breakfast game. Get ready to indulge in a symphony of flavors and textures. Smoky Chipotle Avocado Toast. For those who crave a touch of smokiness and a hint of heat, this smoky Chipotle avocado toast is a perfect choice. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, 1 chipotle pepper in adobo sauce, minced, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: toast the bread slices until golden and crisp. In a bowl, mash the avocado with a fork until smooth. Add the minced chipotle pepper, lime juice, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper to the mashed avocado. Mix well. Spread the avocado mixture evenly onto the toasted bread slices. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve and enjoy the smoky goodness. The smoky chipotle pepper adds depth and complexity to the creamy avocado, while the lime juice provides a refreshing tang that balances the flavors beautifully. Mediterranean Avocado Toast. If you're looking for a Mediterranean twist on your avocado toast, this recipe will transport you to the sunny shores of the Mediterranean Sea. Gather the following ingredients. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, 4 to 5 cherry tomatoes, halved, Kalamata olives, pitted and sliced, feta cheese, crumbled, fresh basil leaves, torn, extra virgin olive oil, balsamic glaze, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: toast the bread slices to your desired level of crispness. Slice the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Mash it with a fork until smooth. Spread the mashed avocado evenly onto the toasted bread slices. Top with cherry tomato halves, sliced Kalamata olives, crumbled feta cheese, and torn basil leaves. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic glaze. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve and savor the Mediterranean flavors. This avocado toast variation combines the creamy avocado with the vibrant flavors of cherry tomatoes, olives, feta cheese, and basil. The drizzle of olive oil and balsamic glaze adds a luscious finish to this delightful creation. Caprese Avocado Toast. Caprese salad is a beloved Italian classic, and when combined with avocado toast, it creates a harmonious fusion of flavors. Let's dive into this mouth-watering recipe. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, fresh mozzarella cheese, sliced, 4 to 5 cherry tomatoes, halved, fresh basil leaves, balsamic glaze, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: toast the bread slices until they reach the desired level of crispness. Slice the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Mash it with a fork until smooth. Spread the mashed avocado evenly. Avocado and hummus stuffed cucumber bites, refreshing and healthy snack delight. When it comes to healthy and refreshing snacks, it's hard to beat the combination of avocado and hummus. These two ingredients, packed with essential nutrients, create a harmonious flavor profile that is both satisfying and nutritious. One creative way to enjoy this duo is by making avocado and hummus stuffed cucumber bites. We'll explore the delightful recipe for this refreshing snack that is sure to become a favorite among health-conscious food enthusiasts. The perfect crunch, choosing the right cucumbers. To ensure the ultimate snacking experience, it's important to select the right cucumbers for this recipe. Look for firm and crisp cucumbers with vibrant green skin. English cucumbers or seedless cucumbers are ideal choices, as they have a mild flavor and a tender texture, making them perfect for stuffing. Avocado and hummus stuffed cucumber bites recipe. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating these refreshing and healthy bites. Ingredients: 2 large cucumbers, 1 ripe avocado, a quarter cup of hummus, choose your preferred flavor, fresh dill, chopped, lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: start by washing the cucumbers thoroughly under cold water. Pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Using a sharp knife, cut off the ends of the cucumbers. Then, slice them into bite-sized pieces, each about 1 to 1.5 inches thick. Next, take a spoon and carefully scoop out the centers of each cucumber slice, creating small hollows for the stuffing. Be sure not to scoop too deeply, as you want the cucumber walls to remain intact. In a bowl, prepare the avocado filling. Slice the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh into the bowl. Mash the avocado with a fork until smooth and creamy. Add the hummus to the mashed avocado and mix well. The creamy texture of the avocado will complement the velvety hummus, creating a luscious filling. Add the chopped fresh dill to the avocado hummus mixture, along with a squeeze of lemon juice. The dill adds a refreshing herbal note, while the lemon juice enhances the overall flavor. Season the mixture with salt and pepper according to your taste preferences. Remember, a little sprinkle of salt can elevate the flavors, so be cautious not to overdo it. Spoon the avocado and hummus mixture into the hollowed cucumber pieces, filling them generously. You can use a small spoon or a piping bag to achieve a neat and even presentation. Once all the cucumber bites are filled, arrange them on a serving platter. For an added touch of freshness, sprinkle some additional chopped dill on top of the stuffed cucumber bites. For the best flavor and texture, refrigerate the bites for about 15 to 30 minutes before serving. This will allow the flavors to meld together and enhance the overall experience. Serve your avocado and hummus stuffed cucumber bites chilled and enjoy the refreshing crunch and creamy goodness. Variations and serving suggestions. While the avocado and hummus combination is already delightful on its own, you can further customize your stuffed cucumber bites with additional toppings and variations. Here are a few ideas to spark your creativity. Sprinkle some sesame seeds or crushed pistachios on top for added texture and nutty flavor. Drizzle a small amount of extra virgin olive oil over the stuffed bites to enhance the richness. Garnish with microgreens. Guacamole stuffed cherry tomatoes, bite-sized flavor explosion. When it comes to finger foods and appetizers, bite-sized delights always steal the show. And if you're a fan of guacamole, there's a fun and delicious way to enjoy it: guacamole stuffed cherry tomatoes. These miniature flavor bombs combine the creamy goodness of guacamole with the fresh and vibrant taste of cherry tomatoes. We'll explore the recipe for guacamole stuffed cherry tomatoes, and you'll discover how to create a crowd-pleasing appetizer that will leave your taste buds craving for more. Choosing the perfect cherry tomatoes. The key to creating guacamole stuffed cherry tomatoes lies in selecting the right cherry tomatoes. Look for firm, ripe cherry tomatoes that are uniform in size. You want tomatoes that are plump and juicy, as they will provide the perfect vessel for holding the guacamole filling. Opt for cherry tomatoes with a bright red color and a sweet aroma, ensuring a burst of freshness in each bite. Guacamole stuffed cherry tomatoes recipe. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating these delightful bite-sized snacks. Ingredients: 16 cherry tomatoes. 1 ripe avocado. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 1 small jalapeno pepper, seeded and minced. Fresh cilantro, chopped. Lime juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Start by rinsing the cherry tomatoes under cold water and patting them dry with a clean kitchen towel. This ensures that they are clean and ready for stuffing. Slice off the tops of the cherry tomatoes, creating a small opening. Set the tomato tops aside, as they can be used as garnish later. Using a small spoon or a melon baller, carefully scoop out the seeds and pulp from the cherry tomatoes, creating small hollow cavities. Be gentle to avoid breaking the tomatoes. In a bowl, prepare the guacamole filling. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh into the bowl. Use a fork to mash the avocado until it reaches a smooth and creamy consistency. Add the finely chopped onion, minced jalapeno pepper, and chopped cilantro to the mashed avocado. These ingredients add a burst of flavors and a hint of heat to the guacamole. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the mixture to add a tangy and refreshing touch. Lime juice not only enhances the taste but also helps prevent the avocado from browning. Season the guacamole filling with salt and pepper to taste. Start with a small amount and adjust according to your preferences. Mix all the ingredients together until well combined, ensuring that the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the guacamole. Once the guacamole filling is ready, use a small spoon or a piping bag to fill each hollow cherry tomato with the guacamole mixture. Fill the tomatoes generously, but be careful not to overfill and cause them to burst. Arrange the guacamole stuffed cherry tomatoes on a serving platter. If you reserve the tomato tops, place them back on top of the filled tomatoes as garnish. For added visual appeal, sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top of the stuffed cherry tomatoes. This adds a pop of vibrant green color and a touch of freshness. To allow the flavors to meld together and for the cherry tomatoes to chill, refrigerate the stuffed bites for about 30 minutes before serving. Serve your guacamole stuffed cherry tomatoes as a refreshing and vibrant appetizer, and watch them disappear in no time. Avocado and black bean salad, a nutritious and flavorful delight. When it comes to creating a healthy and satisfying salad, incorporating avocado and black beans is a winning combination. Avocado adds a creamy texture and a dose of healthy fats, while black beans provide a hearty source of protein and fiber. Together, they create a nutrient-rich and delicious salad that is perfect as a side dish, a light lunch, or a refreshing snack. We'll explore the recipe for avocado and black bean salad, and you'll discover how to create a dish that is both nutritious and bursting with flavor. The key ingredients. To make a delicious avocado and black bean salad, it's essential to choose fresh and high-quality ingredients. Here are the key components you'll need. Avocado, select ripe avocados that yield to gentle pressure when squeezed. They should have a creamy texture and a rich flavor. Black beans, opt for canned black beans or cook them from scratch. If using canned beans, rinse them thoroughly to remove excess sodium. Vegetables, choose a variety of colorful vegetables to enhance both the flavor and visual appeal of the salad. Examples include cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, red onions, corn, and cilantro. Dressing, a tangy dressing can tie the salad together. You can use a simple combination of lime juice, olive oil, garlic, cumin, salt, and pepper for a refreshing and zesty flavor. Avocado and black bean salad recipe. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating this nutritious and flavorful salad. Ingredients: 1 large ripe avocado. 1 can, 15 ounces, of black beans, rinsed and drained. 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, halved. 1 small bell pepper, diced. 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion. 1/2 cup of corn kernels, fresh or canned. Fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Lime wedges, for serving. For the dressing: 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 clove of garlic, minced. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Start by preparing the avocado. Cut it in half lengthwise, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh using a spoon. Cut the avocado into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large mixing bowl. Add the rinsed and drained black beans to the bowl with the avocado. Add the cherry tomatoes, diced bell pepper, finely chopped red onion, and corn kernels to the bowl. Mix gently to combine all the ingredients. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the lime juice, extra virgin olive oil, minced garlic, ground cumin, salt, and pepper to create the dressing. Pour the dressing over the avocado and black bean mixture. Toss gently to coat the ingredients evenly with the dressing. Taste the salad and adjust the seasoning if needed by adding more salt, pepper, or lime juice. Once the salad is well combined and seasoned, transfer it to a serving dish. Garnish the avocado and black bean salad with freshly chopped cilantro for added freshness and visual appeal. Serve the salad immediately, or refrigerate for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Just before serving, squeeze fresh lime juice over the salad or serve with lime wedges on the side. The citrusy tang will add a burst of flavor to each bite.